Hi kids, welcome back to my channel. Today we are building this Lego set. The number is 60406 and it has 328 pieces. And behind you'll see the truck. A truck can also open on the back. And this I'm very excited to build. So let's open and see what's inside. Why is it always so easy to open? I don't know why. The box here is going away. Bye-bye. And there's two construction manuals. This one, maybe you only see one, but actually inside there's also bag 3 inside the middle. And this one is only bag 1. There's 3 bags as you can see. And let's get started. I'll show you how many minutes I took. We are all done with the race car. The race car's spoiler can move up, down, forever. Pita! The car is very, very big. We are done with the whole Lego. Now the truck can carry up the car. As I zoom in, you can see. Lift up the plate and then put the car in. You can start the car. Now put the car back on. And there's always a human inside the truck driving, as there's also a people inside the car, but I don't want to show you. Ha ha ha. Now, if you want to put it back down, just lift up, but it's still stuck. What should we do? If you liked my channel, please press on the subscribe button. It's the end of today's video. Bye kids! Hope you like my channel of Lego 4. Bye!